Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to revisit the topic of generators. So in the part 4 of our intermediate Python series we have talked about list comprehension and generator expression, and in that part we simply wrote some generator expression like we have given x for x in range we have given, right, and we have given 4 something like this, right. Okay, so but there is another way with which we can create a generator. Okay, so now we are going to talk more on generator, not generator expression. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, generators does not return the things, right. So now I will create a definition here known as gen. Okay, gen means generator, right. Yield I will use is yield, and here I will give is hey, and yield again, hey everyone, yield here also, and here I will use is welcome. Welcome. Okay, so now I will use here is for loop for x in gen and print x. Okay, so now let's run this program. I'm going to run this. Okay, it's taking time. It's taking more time. I will run again. Okay, it's showing hi everyone, welcome. Okay, so you can also use the list comprehension. Okay, so you can also use the list comprehension to run over this, but also sometimes when a generator is just where you might have to write your own generator. So now I will clear up all of the things. So now I will show you an example. That is, first of all I will write here combination, then equals some number, right, like 961. And now here is I will give for C1 in range. Here is I will give 10, and here also I will give, okay, again I will give is for combination 2 for C2 in range, and here I will also give the same number and copy this and paste it here also. Here I will give C3. Okay, so now after that I will give here is if okay, if I will give here brackets if C1 comma C2 comma C3, then equals to double equals combination. Okay, so now I will give here is print got the combination. like this, and flower brackets, square brackets. So now what format, then again I will give it is okay. So now I will give c1 comma c2 comma c3. Okay, so now let's run this program. Okay, let's run this program. As you can see here, it's showing got the combination 961. Okay, so now I will give is I will clear up all this one, and now I will give one more, I will add one more thing, that is I will give here print statement. Again here I will give is c1 comma c2 comma c3. Let's run it again. Okay, as you can see here, we have given print c1 c2 c3, right? So here we have given 961, right? So it's printing all the numbers from here. Okay, it's printing all the numbers, right? As you can see here, we have got the combination on the 961 here. Okay, then it's printing all the numbers after finding the combination. So what if I break here? So for that, for breaking that, I will use here is break. So now save it and run it again. Delete the numbers. Okay, so previously what we have done is we have not given here break, right? So we got the combination, then it was printing the numbers from 961 to 969. So now it's not printing the numbers, right? So now after we found for doing that, so what we wanted to do is we don't want to print the combinations after we have got the combination, right? So let's say we have got the combination here only, and we don't want to print the numbers which are like 970 to 999. Okay, or otherwise what if we give here is, what if we give 734? Okay, if I give here 734, then it should show here got the combination, where it's here. Okay, it should show got the combination 734, then it should not print other numbers. Okay, like that we want. So for doing that, we have to insert break statement at each and every for loop. So now for doing that, I will close this one. Okay, so now I will give here is, here I will give got combination, then equals false. Okay, so now one more place I have to give here is if statement. If got combination, then here I will give is break. So now I will copy these two lines, and so now I will paste it at here also, same here only, right? Okay, I will give it tab here. So now here also I will give, not here. Okay, so now we have given like this. Before break also we have to give got combination equals true, and so now let's run it again. It's taking much more time. I will run it again. Got the combination at the 961. Okay, it's working. So from the time it was printing the other numbers that are 961, it was not printing when we have given 96 break. Okay, it was not printing the numbers from 961 to 969, but now it's not printing the other numbers after we have found the combination. Okay, it's working. So now instead of writing for loop, okay, in for loop we have given many for loops, right? And writing these many lines of code, what if we use here a generator? Okay, so before doing that, I will make this all of this code multi-line comment here, the same, and here also same. Okay, so now I will go down. So now I will give here is def and combination, and like this. So now I will give here, I will copy this, not copy, for C1 in range, then 10 here, for C2 in range, here also 10, combination 3 in range, I will give here is 10 same. So now I will like this. So now here I will use is yield by IE yield, and in that I will give is C1 comma C2 comma C3, right? So now for C1 comma C2 comma C3, right? Okay, C3 in combination, then here I will give is like this. So now print C1 comma C2 comma C3, and if statement we have to give if C1 comma C2 comma 3 double equals combination. Okay, like this. So now I will give is print again, not this one, I will copy this one. Okay, again, then I will give is break. So now I will give is print C1 comma. Okay, so now let's run this program. It's taking much more time every time. I'll clear this one and run Python file. Okay, this is also working, right? Okay, what if it is the number, right, in place of 6, we will give here is 6 only, here also I will change 7, and I will run this program again. As you can see here, it's not printing the numbers after this, right? So again 9, we'll run it again last time. Okay, this is also working the same, right? But Here we have used generator and it's clear, right? So how many lines we have used here? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. This is 11 lines, and we have used this 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have used 13 lines of code, and here 2 lines less. Pretty good. So guys, okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.